The dried noodle bundling and stand-up pouch packaging line consists of a weighing machine, a bundling machine, an elevating and sorting unit, a weight reduction feeding machine, a tray handling robot, a reciprocating stand-up pouch packaging machine, an automatic case packing and bagging system, and a palletizing robot. The weighing machine utilizes cantilever beam load cells and a two-stage weighing mode. The bundling machine features a versatile robotic arm capable of bundling packages of varying weights and sizes. It employs a dual-action thermal sealing head technology to minimize instances of loose bundles. The elevating, sorting, and weight reduction feeding unit is equipped with a material storage function, which reduces the overall rate of empty pouches produced by the line while ensuring high weight accuracy. The tray handling robot inserts U-shaped paper trays into the bundled, weighed packages, resulting in superior formation of the stand-up pouch's structural edges. The flat mouth pouch machine integrates intelligent pouch feeding and sealing functions. This fully featured equipment meets the entire line's downstream requirements for automatic pouch handling and palletizing. The equipment operates with high stability and efficiency. The palletizing system can be customized to suit the specific layout and constraints of the installation site. Featuring touchscreen operation, the system intelligently controls carton sequencing and stacking layers. It is simple to operate and includes an internal magazine capable of holding 8 to 15 trays.